Welcome to a world of warmth, charm, and effortless style. If you've ever dreamed of creating a cozy farmhouse living room that feels like a warm hug, you're in the right place. The farmhouse aesthetic is more than just a trend. It's a timeless approach to decorating that blends rustic charm with inviting comfort. Imagine sinking into a plush couch surrounded by soft textures, reclaimed wood accents, and the soft glow of candlelight. Whether you're starting from scratch or just looking to refresh your space today, we're diving into 5 cozy farmhouse living room ideas that will transform your home into a serene retreat. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's get started. A cozy farmhouse living room starts with a soft, neutral color palette. Think warm whites, soft beiges, and gentle grays, colors that create a light and airy atmosphere. These hues not only make your space feel open and serene, but also provide the perfect backdrop for layering textures and natural materials. Consider painting your walls a creamy white or a muted taupe and incorporating wooden elements in their natural finish. A slip-covered sofa in off-white or linen fabric adds a cozy and relaxed feel, while shiplap walls or exposed beams instantly bring that rustic farmhouse charm to life. To add even more warmth, try incorporating natural fiber elements such as jute rugs or woven shades. These details will enhance the rustic yet inviting nature of your farmhouse design, making your space feel balanced and cohesive. One of the secrets to achieving that inviting farmhouse aesthetic is layering different textures. Think chunky knit throws, linen curtains, and plush area rugs that add warmth underfoot. A jute or wool rug can ground the space, while soft woven baskets add both style and storage. Mix and match pillows in various fabrics like velvet, cotton, and faux fur to create depth and coziness. Don't forget about natural elements. Woven rattan, distressed wood, and even exposed brick add an organic touch that makes your space feel effortlessly homey. You can also incorporate softer elements such as a boucle accent chair or a tufted ottoman to enhance the overall sense of comfort. Layering these different textures creates visual interest, ensuring your farmhouse living room feels warm, stylish, and lived in rather than flat or one-dimensional. Farmhouse style thrives on the beauty of imperfection. Distressed wood, weathered finishes, and vintage finds add authenticity and character to your living room. Hunt for antique trunks to use as a coffee table or stack vintage books on open shelving for a curated look. Reclaimed wood picture frames, an old ladder repurposed as a blanket rack, or a vintage-inspired clock can instantly enhance the charm of your space. Mixing old and new elements creates a space that feels lived in and welcoming rather than overly styled. Additionally, consider incorporating DIY farmhouse decor projects, such as refinishing an old piece of furniture with chalk paint or repurposing mason jars as candle holders. These unique handcrafted touches will personalize your space and make it feel even more special and inviting. Are you loving these cozy farmhouse ideas? If so, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We bring you the best home decor inspiration every week, and we'd love for you to be part of our community. Give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite farmhouse decor tips so far. We'd love to hear your thoughts and connect with you. Now, let's get back to creating that dreamy living room. Your living room should be a gathering place for relaxation and connection, so make sure your seating area feels inviting and functional. Opt for an oversized sink-in sofa with plenty of throw pillows for added comfort. Pair it with a mix of seating options like a cozy armchair or a vintage-inspired rocking chair to add charm and variety. A rustic coffee table in the center anchors the space, while side tables with farmhouse-style lamps add both practicality and ambience. To take it up a notch, add a soft, oversized ottoman that doubles as extra seating or a place to rest your feet after a long day. You might also consider adding a built-in window seat adorned with plush cushions and throw blankets. This not only adds seating, but also creates a charming focal point. Thoughtfully arranged seating makes your living room a place where family and guests naturally want to gather and unwind. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating that cozy farmhouse glow. Opt for soft, warm lighting with table lamps, sconces, or even a statement chandelier made from wood or wrought iron. Candle lanterns or LED string lights add an extra layer of charm, creating a magical ambience in the evenings. Don't forget about greenery, whether it's a vase of fresh eucalyptus, a potted olive tree, or even faux greenery for a low-maintenance touch. Plants add life and warmth to your space, balancing the rustic elements with a fresh, natural feel. Consider adding a statement plant, like a fiddle leaf fig or a large fern, to breathe new life into your farmhouse setting. If you're limited on space, a collection of small potted succulents or fresh herbs on open shelving can still bring in that organic vibrancy without overwhelming the room. The combination of warm lighting and lush greenery helps create the perfect cozy atmosphere for a farmhouse-inspired living space. And there you have it, 5 cozy farmhouse living room ideas to transform your space into a warm and inviting retreat. From neutral tones and layered textures to rustic accents and soft lighting, these small changes can make a big impact. The beauty of farmhouse decor lies in its effortless blend of comfort and charm, making it a style that feels both timeless and personal. So, which of these ideas are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more home decor inspiration and styling tips. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with fellow decor lovers. Until next time, happy decorating and may your home always be filled with warmth and style.